Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, April 21st. In our last session, we started to explore the strategies that move us towards shame resilience and the common barriers that stand in our way. We already looked at contextualizing, which is a strategy that helps us move towards shame resilience, and individualizing, its respective barrier. Today, let's look at the next pair, normalizing, which is a helpful strategy, versus pathologizing, which is a common barrier. When it comes to raising critical awareness and increasing our resilience to shame, the most powerful words we can hear are, "You are not alone." When the research participants talked about critical awareness in Brené Brown's work, the actual words, "you have to find out you're not alone," or "you need to know you're not alone," came up verbatim in at least 80% of the interviews she conducted. Shame works only if we think we are alone in it. When we realize there is someone else, the concept of shame becomes bankrupt. However, unless we understand our shame triggers and practice critical awareness, chances are we're not ever going to reach out far enough or often enough for someone to have the opportunity to say, "Hey, you are not alone." On the opposite side of the continuum from normalizing is pathologizing. Pathologizing is classifying something as abnormal or deviant. Without critical awareness, we might believe that the social community expectations are actually attainable. Individually, it is easy for us to believe that we are the only person who doesn't meet the expectations, and therefore there is something abnormal, something wrong or deviant about us. But if we are going to develop and practice critical awareness, we have to be able to normalize experiences to the point of knowing we are not alone in this. Brené Brown also cautions us against the notion of blaming the victim. In particular, she says some pop psychologists preach that there is no such thing as reality, just our perception of it. Brené Brown says not only is this inaccurate, it's actually dangerous. Because racism is real, domestic violence is real, homophobia is real. When you tell people that their situation is only their perception and they can easily change it, you actually shame them, belittle them, and sometimes even put them in extreme physical danger. Rather than dismissing someone's experience as merely a perception, we might want to ask, how can I help? Is there some way I can support you? Brené Brown adds, of course, it might be accurate to say that we all see things differently, but the world trades in both reality and perception. Try paying your mortgage with paper you perceive as money. Or try walking out of the store with that Kate Spade bag and telling the police it matches my shoes, so I perceive it's mine. I love Brené Brown. She is powerful and funny. Anyway, today let's do another circle of loving kindness practice to keep reminding ourselves that we are never alone. We always have each other, and the more we share in our human experience, the more we normalize all our situations and don't feel that something is wrong with us. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Allow your breath to be nice and soft, completely natural, and see if you can find a sense of spaciousness in your breathing, letting all the experiences of the present moment physical sensations, thoughts, emotions flow through you as energy that they all are, without struggle. As always, begin your loving kindness practice with a gentle reflection on the basic goodness within you and your simple wish to be happy. As you do this, notice how this reflection affects your physical state, your breath, your mind. See if you can soften from the inside out. And start repeating after me, silently or out loud. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel loved, cared for, at ease. May I know I am enough. May I know I am not alone. May I touch deep, natural peace. Now imagine sitting in the center of a circle, surrounded by all the members of our Mindful Morning Sangha, our community. We will now send loving kindness to each of our fellow practitioners. And as you repeat the verse after me, also allow yourself to receive their kindness, their good wishes sent to you. Receive each other's loving kindness with gentle presence. You deserve it. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel loved, cared for, at ease. May you know you are enough. May you know you're never alone. May you touch deep, natural peace. With each phrase, you're offering each other a gift, and you're receiving a gift from each other. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel loved, cared for, at ease. May you know you are enough. May you know you're never alone. May you touch deep, natural peace. As always, if your attention wanders away from this circle, away from this practice, or if difficult feelings or memories arise, try to let go of them in the spirit of kindness and come back here again and again, as many times as you need. Remember, there is no judgment here, only compassion. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel loved, cared for, at ease. May you know you are enough. May you know you are never alone. May you touch deep, natural peace. As you end in your practice, sit quietly for a few moments, scanning your body and noticing your physical sensations, your thoughts, your breath. Is there a new sense of spaciousness? Maybe tenderness? Is there a new softness in you that you haven't noticed before? As always, please remember though, it's okay if you don't see any difference. Remember, there is no judgment. There is no need to fix anything, change anything. Simply doing this practice, simply being here is enough. As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Do you tend to pathologize your shame experiences? If yes, how can you start normalizing them instead? Remember, shame works only if we think we are alone in it. When we realize there is someone else, the concept of shame simply becomes bankrupt. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.